Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you on how to factory reset your Motorola E5 or Motorola E5 Plus. This particular device I'm using is the E5 Plus from Sprint, model number M3572. As you see right here, I got the pin code on the device. I'm going to show you on how to get rid of this. First step, you want to power off the device by holding the power key and tapping on power off. Once the phone is completely turned off, you're going to press two buttons in order to get to the recovery screen. The two buttons are the volume down key and the power key. You will need to press these two buttons at the same time. Press and hold until you get this screen. Then we're going to use the volume down key to navigate. Then we're going to press down. When you get to recovery mode, you want to press the power key to confirm. Then it's going to kind of restart. Then it's going to take you to a no command screen. Once you get to the no command screen, I'm going to show you what to do next. Here, what you're going to do is you're going to press the volume up key and the power key at the same time until you get to the recovery screen. So tap, keep trying until you get to this. Here you go. We're going to use the volume down key to navigate. We're going to be doing the wipe data factory reset. Press the power key to confirm this option. Then it's going to take us to a different menu. You want to scroll down to yes, press yes, the power. Then we're going to use the bottom option, and which that is going to erase everything off the device and all the personal content on the device as well. So scroll to that, then press the power key again. When you press this, it'll take about 5 to 10 seconds. It depends on how much stuff you have on the device. Once it's done, we're going to do one more thing. We're going to scroll down to wipe cache partition. Press the power key, then down to yes, the power key again, then reboot the device. Here you go guys, this completes our tutorial for today. If you have any questions or need help with any specific device, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys next time.